Hi, it's Vilma for Redesign with Prima, and today I bring you this idea on how to mix different mediums to create a stunning finish. After removing the old decor on this jewelry armory and light sanded the sealer, I started by painting using cashmere color from Fusion Mineral Paint, but just dabbing in with my brush. With this, I'm creating a light texture finish. Starting from the front, by then remove all the small drawers one by one and paint the inside. I'm also painting part of the inside of this jewelry armory. I will be doing 2 layers of paint with this same technique. And this is how it looks after painting. For our design, I choose this large transfer named Blue Vine that comes in 4 sheets. Always plan your design previously to apply your transfer. These transfers can be connected to each other or apply them as your project needs. These ribbon transfers can be used on craft, furniture, walls, glass, even fabric. This design of delicate vines adorned with ivory blossom and vibrant blue flowers brings elegance and movement to any surface, from dark, dramatic furniture to light, airy decor. Very easy to use, just press, rub, and you will have a beautiful artwork. Once you finish to peel out the film, I like to go first with my hands and make sure the transfer is completely stick to my project. Then I am using these polishing pads that are awesome to help you adhere better your transfer and also remove any bubbles, any halos you may have. I am connecting the 2 sheets of this beautiful transfer from these side doors. When you're connecting the transfer, please take your time. Don't do it in a rush. I'm doing the same process for the other door. I will be sealing this transfer with a water-based sealer. I like to use clear top coat from Fusion Mineral Paint. For the design of the small front drawers, I'm using the stencil named Vine with Wallpaper from Finever and as a medium art extravagance cross-eyes effect base with a silicone brush to apply. I will be applying this stencil by sections. First, I will be working with the left side and waiting for the base to dry before going overlapping and finish the design. Because this paste is very thin, you will need to work with a small amount and applying gently and slowly by small sections. This will take a little more time to apply than other thicker pastes. This unique texture with the thick paste is perfect when you need to add glitters of sparkles to your projects. When it dries, I will be doing the same process to the right side. For final touches, I'm applying a wax celestial over all the edges of the jewelry armoire. As you can see, I'm using a small craft brush, but you can use your fingers. These waxes are permanent. I'm also adding on some parts Decor Wax Polaris. This time I'm just using my fingers. And this is how it looks now. Let me know in comments what do you think about this flip. All products I use will be in descriptions. Please give us a follow and a like and subscribe to our channel today. See you in another flip.